Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in into another of my videos. What we're bringing here is a cosplay video, okay, guys? So, what I'm gonna do is compare two items I purchased, different items from different sellers, but it come in the same universe. So, what I'm gonna bring you here is Power Rangers helmets, okay? I'm gonna compare them. We're gonna look at it. It's two different sellers. It's two different characters, but at the same time, they're in the same universe that should be related. So I actually purchased this helmet from Spider Nation. So I just want to show you how it looks and everything. The paint job, just the texture. This is supposed to be the Red Ranger. And it's very light though. I haven't actually worried because it's a little tight in my head, so I gotta find a way to expand it and make it a little bigger because it kind of hurts. The texture is not really like smooth. It has a little bit of grainy feeling into it, and you can see the paint. Okay, just wanna put that out there. Okay, it's shiny. This part is shiny, very light. And this one, I really can't put it on because it kind of hurts my ears. But I can't put the part in the back. Okay, just want you to see it. And now I got this helmet. This is the green Power Ranger from the movie, the new movie. And this is the movie Replica, and I want to show you. Okay. Just want to show you the paint and everything, how it looks, the texture look here. It makes a difference. It's a little bit more shinier, and it's smooth. Okay. It does have a little texture here that is very good on the mouth, and it makes it feel like this, like in here. Like this kind of texture, so it helps to give it the edgy look, the armor look, the metal kind of feeling to it, because not all metal is smooth. And just really wanted to show you guys and share this. I really don't want to drop any of the helmets. I don't know if you guys can tell the differences in the paint job. So I'm just trying to bring it out there. Both are made of resin. So both are supposed to be Power Ranger. I think the biggest issue with the Red Ranger helmet is that is missing the texture, the little texture on top. I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, in the color green, you see the little texture it has, and this Red Ranger doesn't have it. The movie's supposed to have it. And that's the major difference that I really have to say. It kind of hit me when I got it. I was hoping it was gonna have the texture, and because it didn't have it kind of made me a little sad and a little, that grievance kind of thing when you spend a certain amount of money into a helmet or whatever, and it doesn't have that you were expecting. But it's really like just live and learn. But at the same time, I found this seller afterwards, and it's just beautiful helmet. This is going into my replicas, and I'm just gonna try to fix the Red Ranger helmet. So the differences are just visible. I hope you guys see it. I hope you guys can tell, because I'm not trying to give bad rap or anything about anybody, but I'm just trying to be fair in how it looks and everything. And this one, I like it because of the texture and the high gloss kind of paint job right there. So I really hope you guys like it too. Let me know what you guys think, comment down below, and help me. Maybe any of you guys know how to do this kind of paint job on this, so I can actually do a makeover, and it'll be fun, and I'll do a recording and everything. I really have no experience about painting, so it makes it extra difficult, because I'm looking to find out how to do it and having issues. But this is the Red Ranger helmet, and I really hope you guys can see what I'm trying to tell you guys. Let me try to get the light right there. Oh yeah, the light really helps right there. On both helmets, you got two parts. Let me show you. The Velcro came off in my Green Ranger helmet. That's very bad, guys. Very bad. So that's how the inside looks. I hope you guys can see it. Both are made of resin. So I guess is what they call slush casting. Yeah, you can see the texture and everything. But pretty much that's what it is. The biggest issue with the helmet is the Red Ranger helmet is that it doesn't have that texture and the look that I was hoping for, and that is just my biggest thing. The paint job. Then everything else I can fix it. I have to put a little padding and be able to expand it here because I can't put my hand in there. It's very tight. I tried to do it last time and it was very uncomfortable. Actually, I hurt my ears, so I'm trying not to do it again, guys. I hope you guys can understand that. So I really hope. Look, I'm even gonna put it wrong. That's sad for my part. So I really hope you guys like this video. Share this video, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If anybody can help me. Alright, so if anybody can help me, let me know what you guys know about it. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good one. I really appreciate it. Peace.